Remember to subscribe and like my videos. Hey guys, Toybox here, and we have some really cool Halloween toys that I wanted to do a video on for you. We have a cool brain, we have an eyeball ring, and we have a coffin with a spider in it, and this coffin has slime in it. Ooh. So we're gonna try this out and see what it's gonna look like. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, now first the brain. Let's get this open. Oh, this is difficult. Handy dandy. Scissors. Cut a little hole. There we go. And we'll take the brain out. Ew, this is so squishy. Super duper squishy. Guys, I wish you could feel this. This is ew. Here's the bottom of the brain. Ew, look at that. How gross. Squishy brain, squishy brain, squishy brain, squishy brain. Do you think this is what real brain looks like? Ooh, I hope not. That's gross. Oh my goodness, you. Oh, that's our squishy brain. What do you think, guys, of the squishy brain? You can squeeze it really hard like that, and it goes back. Crazy, crazy. Okay, guys, that's our squishy brain. What do we have next? The eyeball ring. How about the eyeball ring? Are you ready? Squishy brain. I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, here's the eyeball ring. Let's open this up. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely disgusting. And it moves. And you can put it on your finger. It's a pinky eyeball ring, and it's kind of gross looking. Ooh, oh my goodness. How does it look here on this finger? Does that look cool? Oh, oh, it moves too. Oh, how gross. Oh, oh, staring at me. Staring at me. Does the eyeball come out? I don't think the eyeball comes out. I think it's glued in there. But it does move. Isn't that crazy how that moves like that? Oh my goodness. Right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Boop, 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 boop. This is creepy, guys. Very creepy. The eyeball ring. Ooh, the eyeball ring. Okay, what's next? Are you ready for the coffin with the spider slime? Ooh. Okay, guys, here's the cool coffin spider slime. Let's open it up. I'm going to get a plate and put it right here. And that way, if it's really slimy and messy, then I can easily move it and it will be okay. How do we open this? Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness. This is, oh. Ooh. That is gross. Can we get the spider out of there? Yes, you can get the spider out. You can put the slime right there. Out of the way. That is really sticky slime. Ooh. Guys, take a look at this spider. He is so cool. Ah, he's biting me. Oh no, oh no. I'm just kidding. He didn't bite me. He's just plastic. But this looks cool. And you can put him back in the slime too. Ooh. That's pretty gross. Oh. Stretchy, boing, 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 boing. Stretchy, boing, 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 boing. I don't like the spider. It scares me. Put it away. What do you mean you don't like the spider? It's only scary if you think it is. Okay, guys, there it is. We have our squishy brain, and we have our eyeball ring, and we have the slime with the spider, and you can put it in the casket. What do you think about this Halloween toys? Do you have these, or have you seen these? If you have, leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and we appreciate you guys for watching our toy box video on these Halloween toys.